Foundation in construction technology. A foundation, also called the footing or base of a building, is the lowest part of any structure that transfers the entire weight of the building, including live loads and dead loads, safely to the ground. It distributes loads evenly to prevent settlement, cracking, or collapse, while resisting forces like wind, earthquakes, or soil movement. Classifications of foundations. 1. Shallow foundations. They spread over a larger area near the surface. They're used for good soils. Deep foundations. They go deeper and are applied for weak, poor soils. Types of foundations. Strip foundation. It is a long, narrow concrete strip that runs under load-bearing walls, great for stable soils and low-rise buildings, the most common for residential homes. 2. Pad foundation, isolated footing. It is a square or rectangular concrete, member under individual columns, used when columns are spaced apart and soil can support concentrated loads. 3. Raft foundation, mat foundation. It is a large, thick, reinforced concrete slab covering the entire building footprint. It is ideal for poor soils like expansive clays, or when you want to avoid differential settlement, very common in modern homes, for stability. 4. Pile foundation, deep foundation. They're long, slender columns, piles, driven or cast deep into the ground to transfer loads to stronger soil-talk rock layers below weak surface soil, used for tall buildings, bridges, or very soft, marshy ground. Less common for small homes, but seen in bigger projects.